Good morning, guys. In the woodshop today we are doing something a little bit different. We're not making anything, we're doing a bit of property maintenance, and we get to use one of my favorite tools of all time.
You don't have very long.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The guilty narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
you've got to get a hold of yourself.
I've got a couple of saws. I've got this Ryobi PCN 3335, and I'm not going to be using that today. Today is a day for the Shindaiwa, and this is my pride and joy chainsaw, this one. Shindaiwa 305S professional chainsaw. And I use it quite often around the property for cutting firewood or just trimming branches or whatever, just maintenance stuff. Not that I'm a professional arborist or anything like that, but nevertheless this thing is an absolute beauty. So this is a little 101 on chainsaws, because I realise that not everyone has a chainsaw at home. You have the blade cover here. This is the chain, or the blade equivalent. This is called the bar. This here is the blade brake, and that's one of the emergency features, or one of the safety features for kickbacks and emergency stopping. Right there is where the chain oil goes, and right here is where the gas goes, and then you have the on-off switch. You got the choke and the primer when you start the engine, and the throttle here with the safety thing for the throttle. So this saw runs on gas, not batteries, and it's a two-stroke engine, which means you have to mix gas and oil, and you have to get the ratio correct, and you have to be very accurate with your mixing, otherwise you can damage the engine and seize it. So the ratio depends on the type of oil that you're using. So in this case here it's FD oil. So you should always refer to your manual. Your owner's manual will tell you what ratio to use with the particular type of oil that you're using. So with FD grade oil, this would be a 50-to-1 mix. That's 50 parts petrol, gasoline, whatever you call it, and 1 part oil. So I also use other types of oil. This is Husqvarna oil, and on this bottle it gives its mix very clearly on the label: mix 1 to 50 or 2%.
what is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The guilty narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
So another really important thing in using chainsaws is to make sure you have enough bar oil, and for that you use, okay, again I've got some Husqvarna oil here. Make sure the area around the cap is clean, and I just use this pink bunny cloth here and make sure that area is clean of debris. This is the tool for this saw. This is the spark plug wrench. That's the bar adjuster, and that's just a screwdriver type of thing. And you just take that off. Top up the oil. It's already pretty full. Okay, so you want to prime the carb. And a bit of fuel will start coming through, and you'll be able to see it through that little ball thing, that ball window thing. Okay, there's fuel going through now from the tank into the motor. Pull the choke out for cold starts, and then turn it on. Choke in halfway. So this is a good opportunity to show you a bit of troubleshooting, because I've started the saw up and the blade has just gone completely loose like that. So let's find out what's going on there. Been using this recently. I'll just give it a wipe, keep things clean. So the bar sits on these two pins here, and it slides in and out like that, and then it has this screw mechanism which it's kind of on a pinion. When you screw it from this side, it moves either left or right, and tensions the blade right up. These bolts here hold the bar in place, and the cover on, of course, and the actual tension so you need to loosen that just enough so that it can still move, and the tension comes from the rack here.
Very long
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.